So as per our expectations, markets are really down, right? So yesterday also I told you can sell calls and you are going to make money, and that is what has happened exactly. And look at HDFC. HDFC day before yesterday was up by around 10%. Yesterday was down by 3%, and today it is again down by around 3.35%, I think. Yeah. If you see this screen, actually, Bank Nifty was a big dragger. HDFC was not performing, it was down by 3.5%. Kotak Bank was down by 1.3%. Axis Bank, IndusInd, IDFC, there were barely any performers in Bank Nifty. That was mainly because of HDFC. HDFC all these days, this is a perfect trap. That is what I was trying to say all these days. This was a perfect trap, and a day before yesterday video also I told don't jump into conclusion and don't buy HDFC Bank or even go long in Bank Nifty or even Nifty. You know, HDFC is having the highest weightage in Nifty and Bank Nifty both. Had you sold call option, you would have made money, and that is what we were been doing. And if you see today's price action, all day long Nifty and Bank Nifty, see Nifty on around 5th of around 1st of April, and when we opened on 4th of April, actually Nifty gapped up. It gapped up around 17,800, and today all day long Nifty was trying to break 18,000. And I think as of now, time now is around 3:45. As of now, I think it is close slightly above, around 17,807 or 9. So tomorrow we really don't know how things are going to span out. Maybe because US futures are in the red. Dow futures, as I talk to you, is down by around 179 points, right? Yeah, around 200 points down. Dow future is down by 200 points down. So if today things are not as expected, or if Dow future is closing maybe 200 or 300 points, then we may gap down tomorrow, and we really don't know what is going to happen tomorrow. So we'll have to wait and see, right? That's what I can say. And if in the open interest area, if you see, there is heavy call rating at 18,000 and even high put rating in 18,000. So you can understand from this that 18,000 straddle is being written heavily. So that's what kind of uncertain markets now, in spite of all things factored into. And going forward, I don't think markets are likely to go on the upside. So second week of, as I told you yesterday also, I told second week of April, RBI is going to come out and going to increase the interest rate. Whether they are going to give a hawkish statement or dovish statement, we really don't know. But going forward, slowly they will end up increasing the interest rate. And look at the petrol prices. 1 liter of petrol is costing 110 rupees. So that's a massive hike in petrol, and inflation is skyrocketing. There is no other way. If RBI governor comes out and if he tells he is not increasing the interest rate this time, then I will I see. This is unbelievable inflation, right? The way inflation is going up, we cannot handle things. Look at the grocery and look at the raw material prices. Everything is going up 20-30%. And obviously, because if petrol prices are going up, even all the prices will go up. And yesterday Adani was performing, today that is also not performing. So kind of highly mixed market, and more declines than there were more declines today. So hopefully tomorrow we should see market going below maybe 17,800 or even 17,000. So last week we were at 17,400, and to this week, last week around April we were around 17,400. We reached 18,000, then we are going back to 17,500 or same levels. Maybe tomorrow, if Europe and US markets are red, then we will also gap down. Then we will see market inching towards 17,500 or even 17,400 levels. So we'll have to wait and see. So as per my knowledge, what I can see is there is upside is very much limited. I don't see any much upside. There is no news. Whatever news was there is being factored, is already factored into. So it's wise to sell more calls than writing puts now. So that should be your trade plan, and uh, let us see how things pan out tomorrow. And hopefully tomorrow should be a flat day. That's what I think. And many times whatever I think has gone wrong. So anyway, I'm expecting maybe bulls will try to protect 18,000 and bears will try to defend 18,000. So there is going to be a tug of war between bulls and bears tomorrow. So we'll see how things are going to span out. And as I told you, if we see the open interest rate, aggressive call writing was happening between 18,000 to even 18,500. And yesterday I could remember 18,300 I sold for around 23 or 24 rupees, I think, and it has gone to maybe 7 or 8 rupees today. So that was the amount of, in spite of India VIX going up. So that is the good thing about if you are right, and if you are wrong, you know what happens. Right? So opposite will happen. So kind of mixed market. So as I told, upside is very much limited, and we can expect the market going towards 17,500. Now 17,500 is going to be a great support now. Yeah, sorry. As you can see in this screen, from 18,000 to 18,500 aggressive call rating is happening, and even 18,000 put rating is also happening. I don't know whether people are buying 18,000 puts or selling 18,000 puts. We really don't know. We'll have to wait and see. We have to wait, check some other data, and even FIIs are not buying for last 2 or 3 trading sessions, right? So if I can see the FII data, let us go to FII data. Nowadays I am shooting video a bit early, right? So there is a reason for that, and you know what is the reason. Okay, many people think I am copying from some big traders. Okay, FII is yesterday, so that's why I started posting earlier videos much earlier, around 4 to 4:30. Then they will tell, you forget it. So yesterday alone, they have sold for around 3,740 crores. They have bought for 374 crores, and DIs have bought for 105 crores. So hopefully today they would have sold. And this is the screenshot, whatever data you are seeing. It is one of the highest for the last 1 year, I can tell you. FIIs have never been buyers for the last 1 year, and what we are seeing now is FIIs buying in huge quantity. So if market has to go on the upside, this trend has to continue. But what we are seeing is this trend is coming on the reversal. This trend is slowing down. The momentum is slowing down. When it comes to FII DIS activities. So we will see how things pan out. As of now, I don't see any upside, and markets are likely to go on the downside only. So that is what we expect. And tomorrow also, you can, today had you sold some calls, tomorrow maybe market will gap down and we could have made good money. But anyway, tomorrow is also not a bad idea. Maybe you can do a short straddle. Of course, there's a disclaimer. You will have to do it at your own risk and responsibility. And nowadays, these intraday short straddles are not at all working. So it's a kind of risky stuff nowadays. So until you are an expert, you know what to do, then you can go and do 920 or 930 short straddle. So it's better to stay away in this kind of volatile markets. In spite of market going to 18,000, see, we are at 18,000. 2 or 3 weeks back, we even touched 16,000, 16,500. Still, markets are moving violently up and down, right? Anyway, as I told you, we'll have to wait and see. And my personal opinion is that markets are likely to go down. That is what I see. I am seeing 17,500 or 400 in the near future. In maybe before next week expiry, we can see 17,400 or 500. Unless until there is any good positive news, then markets may go on the upside. Even if it goes on the upside, it is very much limited. So that's why I am saying whatever news was there, everything is being factored into. So let's hope for the best and sell more call options. You will make money. And of course, there's a disclaimer, you will have to do it at your own risk and responsibility, right? Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.